Here we go, and we're looking at weighted average. I think, and I have FIFO up, so hold on. Here's your average. I'm not going to show you the problem itself. This will give you a better view of the worksheet as we do it. So you have the information. I'll just read it to you as we go. So on March 1st, we have 100 units at $50. And that sets up our inventory at 5,000. Beginning on March 5th, we purchase 400 units at 55. Okay, so that means our total cost is $27,500 with the new, and sorry, this is 400. So now we have to find the average between these two layers. So 100 plus 400 means we have a total of 500 in-house. If I take 5,000 and add it to the 22,000, that inventory is worth 27,000. Now to find the cost per unit, I'm going to divide the 27,000 by 500. I'll just do it very quickly here in the cell. And our per unit cost is $54. So now I have 500 in inventory at $54 at a cost or value of 27,000. On March 9th, I sell 420 units. And their cost, now even though I sold them for 85, notice I'm keeping track of cost of goods sold here. So their cost is at $54. And that comes up to $22.68 as a cost of goods sold. Now what do I have to do here with my inventory? Well, first of all, I have to take that out of inventory. And how much are they valued at? 54. So now I have a new inventory of 43.20 value, and I have 80 in stock. On the 18th, I purchase 120 units at $60. At $60. So now I have 120 plus 80, which is 200. And I have to add the two values together. This is the value of what I just purchased, and this is the value of what's already in inventory. And that comes to, if you just want to do 72 plus 7,200 plus 4320, you will come up with a new inventory value, and that would be 11,520. Now, what's my cost per unit? Well, I have to take that 11,520 and divide it by the number we have in stock, and that gives me 57.60. So this is my new inventory overall value, and this is my per unit cost. On March 25th, we purchase another 200 units, and for these units we pay $62. Now it means I have to take, and what have I got? I've got 400 units now. And what is the value of both of those? 12,400 plus 11,520. And if I add those together, I come up with 23,920. And this is where you got to look at your layers. Okay, now you're going to divide 23,920 by let's just do that right here so you can see it. equal 23,920 divided by our quantity of 400, which means each one is valued at $59.80. And along comes the 29th, and we're going to sell. So it's 160 units, and our unit price is the $59.80, which means the cost of goods sold for that sale is $9,568. What do I do here? Well, I have 240 left. I've subtracted 400. I've subtracted 160 from 400. They each cost $59.80. So I have an ending inventory of 14,352 with 240 in stock. I hope that helps a bit.